What's up everyone? So I got a 2020 Volkswagen Passat here. I'm going to show you how to do air up the tire and then reset the tire pressure monitoring system light. So looking at this vehicle, we're going to go to the placard here. So usually you have something right there. Sometimes it'll be down here, but you're going to look for your tire and loading information. Sometimes it is on this door over here. But for right now, we're looking at the front and rear. So the front's at 35 PSI. Right there, the rear is 35 PSI. So we're gonna air this up, and then due to fluctuating temperatures, I am actually gonna air it up to 37, just to help with fluctuating temperatures that we're dealing with in the colder now. So that's 36, 37.8, 38.2, so we have 38, it'll be good to go. In the car, you're actually going to go, so most of the vehicles, it's in the infotainment sensor. In the Jettas and Passats, you're going to find them over here, and you're going to hit this button right here, hold it for 2 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to come over here. Now your tire pressure light is gone. Good to go. Yep. Good to go. If you have any other questions or comments, just leave them down below. Wish you a wonderful day.